Hey everyone, Jessica here, and today I'm going to do a little early launch, preview launch of my latest graphic Megapack collection. So this is something that some of you, if you are on my Facebook group, might have got a preview of at the end of August, and I've been working on so many different things, and I'm on so many different deadlines. I hadn't had a time to finish this, but I wanted to get this out, especially for the holidays. So right now is the initial launch, and I'm letting my newsletter members know early, and you're going to have a special early pricing, which is going to be great. And it is inspired by, like, I was looking and I saw on Instagram some really cool jewelry that was like raw stone and crystal jewelry, and I thought it was super beautiful, and I thought it would be such an inspiration for a collection to make like some graphics that is like jewelry and gold and kind of have fun with all that. So this is the cover image I've done so far, and I'm going to show you the actual main collection. What's great about this is it's a graphic collection, so you don't have to have any specific program to use it. I have included the Photoshop files for you, which are great and super organized, but I've also included organized ping files in case you use any other program such as Affinity, Procreate, Canva, whatever you're using. So I've made these different collections, and I sampled the colors from the stone, like photographs of the stones. So I didn't just like recolor these, but I actually, even though they have the same kind of silhouettes for each collection, which is really great if you're swapping them out, but I actually created every set differently, and so there's slight variations, and the colors are very true to the stones. So I actually sampled lots of photographs and rebuilt these stones up myself. So here we've got amethyst, or a purple stone, aquamarine, citrine. Uh, Here's like a raw diamond, emerald, or a green stone. This is opal, pearl. This one is like peridot, rose quartz, ruby or garnet, sapphire, and then we're back to amethyst. So this took loads of time, but I did all the work for you so that you can just drag and drop them from the PSDs or use the ping files. And then not only that, I worked on these really cool metallic gold paint accents that you can use, and they're also supplied as ping files, so you can use them as clipping masks or as beautiful accents for your things, for your designs. I'm super great with my words today, but they're really cool. Looks like wet paint with nice sparkles in it, so really awesome. And stay tuned, because I hope to kind of show you how I'm gonna try to put out a set of brushes to show you how I made these, because it's a little more complicated, but it's quite cool. So the good thing is that you've got them right now. You can use them as clipping masks. You can use them as beautiful accents in your designs. And what's great is that it's not just in gold. They're all in rose gold and silver. So that's very, very key. And what else? And then also there is some nice gold papers that you can use as clipping masks, background. Like if you illustrate something like a silhouette or whatever, you can, cover it in the paper and then add the gold accents on top. But yeah, you can use whatever program you want. And what else do I have? I have some samples of things. I'm actually myself working on this monogram alphabet collection. So this is kind of an example of what you could do with something like this. And I'm making this right now, which I think I want to sell as prints. So this is going to just be for something separate. But this is an example of how you can use these. So I took like a font, and then I layered the gold on clipping masks on around the thing, and used this jewel. So this is kind of giving you an idea of the kind of things that you can do with it. And also I'm working right now on a little freebie for my newsletter. So I use citrine to make like a leaf. And so this is kind of a little inspiration board for me. And I'm going to have these as like free downloads for the newsletter. So that'll be nice. A little treat for my newsletter peeps. And so I'm working on samples right now, but that's why I wanted to just launch this, because the actual product is done. So I want you guys to start using it, start having fun. And plus, if you get it early, you get special sample pricing. And I'm even working on, I'm working on all kinds of different samples and giving you guys ideas of what you can do, but it could be great for the holidays. Like, this is totally a mess, but I'm just doing a little example of like a Christmas tree. So I think it could be really cool. You can get really creative, or even just drag and drop them onto your social media graphics. It just looks awesome. Anything that you want this like jeweled inspired kind of look. So there's so many cool things that you can do with it. And if you have any comments, questions, just put them down below. I'm launching my product now. I have a bunch of other deadlines, so I'm giving this special opportunity because I don't want to just hold it back because I don't have my display things, my display images done. I want you to start using this. And I'm sure that there's going to be some product updates. And then also, let's see here, I've also got some bonuses for Photoshop as well. If you, just so I can show you here, this is how it's organized. So you've got all your ping files, and then you've got your accents in gold, and here you can see them, and you've got rose gold. So especially a lot of people love rose gold, and then silver, and it's a nice really warm silver, so it looks really good. And then all of the jewels come with gold accents, rose gold accents, and silver. So here I'll give you a little sneak peek. So as you can see, the accent around the jewel is silver, or in this case, rose gold. Looks kind of funny with the citrine. But here you can see the rose gold. So that's that. And then you've got the papers as 10 by 10 pings, or JPEGs. And then if you do use Photoshop, I have got the papers as layer styles, because that's just easy to work with. And then I've got a bonus chain brushes. And I don't think I've actually ever made this for sale, but I think I've given it as a bonus for my All Access members. But I've got all these chains, which will look really cool with this kind of theme. So I think it'll be really cool. So I included that as a bonus, and you can use the styles or layer or the clipping mask or whatever as you like over them. And then I have this action, which I'm going to show in another video. But hopefully you guys can enjoy this. It's just, you've got these great Photoshop files, so you can just drag and drop them here. So I'm just going to show you here. So you don't have to have Photoshop though. You can use it in any program. That was really important for me. And then you've got all these numbered, organized layers files, and then you can just take them and drag the ready-made graphics onto your image and create your own creations. So hopefully you guys enjoy that, and stay tuned. This is going to be a super busy month, and I have a lot of things coming up, so I'm super excited.